Assalamu alaikum. This is Aisha Parvez and I am the member of PQ Research and Development. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. First of all, welcome to all of my students. I hope you will get in my all sessions very much knowledge and satisfaction about all my sessions. I am here for presenting you the spoken English learning process. Okay, I'm going to start my first section. Speaking. First of all, you have to know the definition of speaking. Speaking definition is involving expressing ideas and opinions, expressing a wish or desire to do something, negotiating or solving problem or establishing and maintaining social relations. In this definition, first of all, here is a big command of involving and communicating system. Big issue is here, how can you maintain your environment for using your language when you go outside from your home? And for the interview, your first question depends on your spoken. You know, English is a second language. It is not a hard task. You know, any literate person, if he go other country, other European country, basic thing is he is illiterate person. But when he is spending much more time on other country, he had a grip of his language. After all, he has a commanding system for the language processing. That's why he can get the language process, because it is not any subject, here is no any criteria for this learning process. I will not tell you about verb, noun, pronoun, because ये सब जो चीज़ें हैं इंसान को फर्स्ट पहले में ही पागल कर देती हैं. इन स्पीकिंग लैंग्वेज सीखने के लिए आपको वर्ब, नाउन एंड pronoun, adjective, all and other things. It is not compulsory. I know all other students here. You want to get session in this after completing your matriculation. You are part of this session, so you already know about the verb, noun, adverb. It is the basic need in the 9th, 10th exams. So you have to know about the all things, but it is not a basic need of language learning process. You can get your knowledge about the spoken English learning process for the communication, for your vocabulary and your word bank. You can create an environment in front of other students, in front of other families, in front of other management system, in front of any boss. First of all, you have to gain your confidence, because besides your confidence you can't do anything. You can't learn this. Anything is the name of give and take. Anything, किसी भी चीज़ को हासिल करने के लिए आपको उसे कुछ देना पड़ेगा. मैं भी यहाँ पर हूँ, तो आप लोग मुझसे तभी सीख सकते हो जब आप लोग खुद प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. आप लोगों में सीखने की पावर होगी. अब मेरा सेशन सुन के मुझसे क्वेश्चन करेंगे, मैं आपको सेटिस्फेक्शन आंसर दूंगी, बट आप खुद कुछ भी नहीं कर सकेंगे तब तक जब तक आप खुद नहीं चाहेंगे कि हम इसको अपने ऊपर अप्लाई करें, अपने ऊपर ट्राई करें. So you have to do this just for yourself. How can you get your communication system improve? The process of creating and exchanging meaning through symbolic interaction, a process of communication constantly moves and changes, doesn't stand still. लैक ऑफ हेजिटेशन जो है ये चीज़ आपको अपने अंदर ही अंदर सारे टैलेंट को प्रेजेंट करने के लिए हमेशा रोकती है। हेजिटेशन समटाइम ये इशू आता है कि हमारे माइंड में इंग्लिश चल रही होती है कि हमने क्वेश्चन क्या करना है, हमने इंग्लिश में किस बात का कैसे आंसर करना है। ट्रांसलेटिंग सिस्टम जो हमारे माइंड में होता है, लाइक आप मुझसे क्वेश्चन करना चाह रहे हैं कि मैं इस चीज़ को कैसे मैनेज करूं। फर्स्ट आप इस चीज़ को पहले इंग्लिश में ट्रांसलेशन करेंगे, हाउ कैन आई मैनेज दिस सिस्टम। ये जो है बेसिक लैक ऑफ हेजिटेशन, लैक ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस, ये जो बेसिक हर्डल्स क्रिएटिंग सिस्टम है, ये हमें अपने माइंड से निकालना पड़ेगा। देन मीनिंग इन्वॉल्व्स थॉट्स, ideas, and a symbolic meaning what we really and words and non-verbal behaviors to communicating meaning and feelings. Meaning and feelings, like you have to know this all system. How can you continue maintain your confidence level? What is the language? The method of human communication, either spoken or written, consisting of the use of words in a structured and conventional way. Conventional power, if you can improve and you can convey your all thoughts, ideas to other students, to other system, to other part of in front of any others, then you will satisfaction feel in yourself. Yeah, I can do this. And I am the member of BQ Research and Development. Today I will tell you about how can you improve your speaking skills and how can you improve your communication skills. Here is a big question. If you are good in skill, if you are good in English speaking, then but how can you improve your communication skill? I am sure a lot of other students will have concern about communication skill. Two or three other things, like hospitality is a service industry, and communication skill is going to be good for solving issue. There is a big issue for improving communication by proactive communication. So many members is here from engineering, from business management, regardless in their fact. Many studies have shown that other things being equal, all other things, leadership skill correlated can distinguish, like उससे ये फ़र्क पड़ता है कि इंसान के अंदर अपनी लाइफ में कुछ अचीव करने का कितना टैलेंट है, इंसान अपने अपने लिए कितना सीरियस है, हाउ मच यू आर सीरियस अबाउट योर प्रोफेशन. So here is our communication doesn't mean that good communication, कि communication अच्छी हो गई है तो आपकी English language भी बहुत अच्छी हो गई. I am going to clarify this thing. If you have a speaking skill and if you have a communication skill, that is both are different things. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आपने इंग्लिश सीख ली है तो आपकी कम्युनिकेशन स्किल ठीक हो गई है. इंग्लिश एक लैंग्वेज, इंग्लिश इज़ अ लैंग्वेज एंड कम्युनिकेशन इज़ अ आर्ट, इज़ अ टैलेंट, इज़ अ स्किल. सो इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज एक अदर थिंग है. लाइक कम्युनिकेशन के लिए डिफरेंट थिंग्स. इंग्लिश समटाइम ऐसा होता है कि इंग्लिश सीखने के बाद भी हम अपनी कम्युनिकेशन को डेवलप नहीं कर पाते. We have failed to develop our communication because here is a different pathetic way. किसी भी जगह ऐसा हो सकता है कि समटाइम ऐसा होता है कि आपको इंग्लिश बोलने की ज़रूरत है और आप अपनी लैक ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन, लैक ऑफ हेजिटेशंस, आप अपनी बात को प्रॉपर वे में कन्वे नहीं कर पाते. सो here is the clarifying point in front of you, like If a human being born in forest, born in forest, and he doesn't know about any language, he just know about body language. Then, if two person go in forest first, then so you also can continue with my this activity. You can take board marker, anything, and give it to other person. How can you give it to other person? Like this thing, take and send to other without using any word. That is a body language. So, but body language can try. You can try right now without using your word. Go ahead. It can be creating misinterrupting. Here is a big variation that what I am asking. So come back to the point. The communication is an art that can be learned, that can be developed, and English is also a language that can be learned. Here is a big problem. Most people make they learn words, from the dictionary. समटाइम किसी को इम्प्रेस करने के लिए बहुत से हार्ड वर्ड्स सेलेक्ट कर लिए जाते हैं कि अगला बंदा ये सोचता है कि इसकी इंग्लिश, इसकी कम्युनिकेशन स्किल कितनी अच्छी है, ये कितने अच्छे वर्ड्स यूज़ कर रहे हैं. बट ये जस्ट आपका एक अपना मेथड है कि that how can you use your mind, how can you use your brain. वर्ड्स ऐसे बता डिफिकल्ट वर्ड्स फाइंड कर लिए जाते हैं किसी दूसरे के लिए. that I will suggest we have to learn about. Basic need here is a language. Language is a system of words or signs that can people use express thoughts and feelings to each others. Why are speaking and listening skills so important? Speaking and listening are at the heart of children's learning. Children need to be confident communicators and active listeners in order to learn about the world they live in. Language skills are different circles you can use in other atmosphere, but you have to make around you atmosphere for using your own words. Children begin to develop these from birth. A confident development, like releasing hesitation. Before children can learn read and write, they need to confident in their speaking and listening skills. How to avoid using personal judgment words when referring to evidence and information. According to my research, some words anybody use in any statement, like I believe, I think, I feel, I am convinced that, I liked, I disliked, I disagree, and so on. It's me, behalf that, etc. Here you can use different in their alternative words in light of evidence, considering the results as shown in the diagram. Like conversation in a central focus of language and the keystone of language acquisition. In a language acquisition, conversation you have to make your strong. Like you have to know where is the use of has and have. Here, this is a big words where you can use in every statement. Like I have these things, I can do these things. She has gone, he has gone, he is taking something. Like this type of statements, has and have. But also you can use in any statement. But you have to clear your concept about has and have. Speaking is the process of building sharing meaning through the use of verbal and non-verbal symbol in a variety of context. Do you know that many language learners regard speaking ability as the measure of knowing a language? Like, do you know that many language learners got measurement to the knowing different way of language? It is a main successful thing. While speaking, we accept our students here other than in front of anyone to be able to this produce the English speech sounds and sound patterns, use words the sentence, stress innovations, introductions, and the rhythm of second language. Select You have to select appropriate words and sentences according to the proper social settings or in front of audience, situation, and subject matters. Proper social settings you can organize, you have to manage yourself, you have to train your brain and organizing their thoughts in a meaningful and logical sequence. So, here is a basic thing you can get, but you can't do anything without practice. Here is you are listening my session. You can follow my session, but you can get response. You can build your confidence with effort yourself. Like you can make your audios, you can stand in front of mirror and speaking. You can sit in front of your family. You can sit in front of your friends. Then you can develop your confidence. Then automatically you can feel your English learning in improving. Beside this, if you have a error something that this one like you feel hesitation, you can say right or wrong. Let forget it. Just just follow your mind. Use your brain. Like this, which person stand in front of you, you have to listen this one. He doesn't know anything. He really not know anything. You are in a right way. Then you can develop your confidence. Then you can see the difference in your language, in your skills. I hope you can do this for yourself. And now at the end of the session, I'm giving you the task. You are sending me your audios for your improving language with your confidence. There I can see what you have get from a session. Okay, thank you so much.